Hi, this is a chatbot designed to communicate in Hindi and English for demo purpose, and this can be extended to multiple Indian languages and non-Indian languages. So I have developed this with minimum intents just for demo purpose because of time constraints, but this can be extended to as many intents as what we want. So I will just walk you through the demo on how the chat how the bot will communicate. So initially the bot will run and it will ask to provide some inputs. So let me just quickly grab few inputs and communicate. So the bot is saying please communicate with me, something like that in Hindi. So I'm just saying namaste. So bot is replying namaskar. So I'm just copying few intents, may not be intents, but I'm just copy and pasting some text in Hindi and just showing you a demo on like what the bot is responding. So these are the intents that I have trained the bot for, so that is the reason I'm only giving these intents, but I would be extending these intents to many other things as well. You can clearly see here that the bot is responding back with the respective answers to the questions being asked. So if we want to exit, right, we need to specify these things like what I have mentioned. बाहर निकलने के लिए दबाए अलविदा. So I'm just typing these messages. So this is like बाद में मिलते हैं. It's like a goodbye greeting in our case. So bot will respond here saying that alvida. So this is our last message which we will be testing, which says like alvida, which is like a quit message which I have kept it in my case. So once I enter this, right, the bot will exit. So it's just saying that आपको जाते हुए देखना दुख की बात है. So the bot has exited, and this is in Hindi. And let us try the bot that I have developed in English. Almost the same intents have been added in English as well. So let me just walk you through that as well. So the bot is up and it is asking like asking to type some message. So I'm just saying hi and the bot replied hello. So let me just ask how old are you. So it says I'm 28 years old. So let me see with these intents like see you later is something like a goodbye message, but I'm not using this quit command, so the bot will only quit if I type quit. So I'm just giving some other messages just to see if what bot is replying back. So this is how it replies, and if I type quit, then the bot says a goodbye message like see you soon, and it will exit. So this is all about the bot in Hindi and English, and as I said earlier, this can be extended to almost all Indian languages and non-Indian languages as well, with as many intents as we want as per the requirement. Thank you.